lecture we are going to learn how to declare a variable, then how to use the operators to form the expression, and a little bit about the programming, a little bit about the small programs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Okay, let's start that. So to declare the variable, it is very simple process. First define the data type, then give the variable name according to the rules of the variable name. If here I'm putting x, okay, now I'm declaring the data type int to that variable x. Now to assign the value to that variable, use the assignment operator, that is equal to, just specify the assignment operator and then specify the value I'm putting. So here I am storing 45 in x variable. I am declaring another variable into y and I am specifying putting the value 80 in that. So right now I have two variables. I am declaring the third variable in z, which is the empty. Now what is my target? I want to store the addition of x and y into the z and then display the output, then display the value which is present in the z on the screen. So for that purpose I have to form the expression, and to form the mathematical expression I require the operator. Here I am using the mathematical operator, that is plus sign, for addition purpose. So I am putting plus sign between two operand, that is x and y, and because of that this plus operator is known as a binary operator because it acts on two operands. And I want to store this store the value of x plus y into z, so I am using assignment operator out here. So this value, that x plus y value, is assigned to the z using this assignment operator. Okay, now answer is stored in the z, so I want to print the z only, so I'm using console dot write line and put it here z in that, then console dot read line, that is, you know that why we are using the read line. Great. So right now we are just execute the code. What is the output? We are getting 125, that is right answer. Okay, now I want something like the addition of x plus y, the message before the answer, so I just put it in double quote, the addition of x plus y. Here same like Java, I'm using concatenator operator, plus before plus between that constant value and variable value. See, this z is the variable, so I want to print the value which is present in the z, so therefore it is not in double quotes, but this is the constant string, so it is in double quotes. I want to use both, so I am using the plus sign as a concatenation operator between these two stuffs. Just execute the code. Now you are getting this concatenated output. For decoration purpose I just put it double quotes between that, so it's double, sorry, equal to sign, so it gives the proper presentation. Okay, now I want the answer like 45 plus 80 is equal to 125. It is like that. So how you can do these stuffs? 45 plus 80, so put it 0, then plus sign, then put it 1. These are the arguments. Then here put it comma. After putting the comma you are getting some different argument in console.write, that is arguments, argument 0 1. So here I want to, this is my first argument I want, and on that first argument I want to put the value of x, so here I put it x, then here I put y, and then z, and for z I have to specify the last argument, that is true. So this argument is replaced by the value of x, then plus is a constant string, so it is plus is as it is, then this one argument is replaced by y, and then second argument is replaced by z. So what is the output? 45 is replaced by this thing, it is replaced by this one, and whatever output is z is replaced by this one. So you are getting the output on the screen like this. So this is your output, 45 plus 80 is equal to 125. Okay, so this is the way you are able to format the output, and this is called formatting output using the arguments. Now here you are using the three arguments, and you have to specify this argument in the places. That is only the rule, and it is that is so it is, I think you get the point. So that's it. um, Thank you very much.